This 2019 Coachmen Prism 2300DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Coachman is 25 feet 1 inch in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, stovetop burner, water heater, air conditioning, external shower, microwave, DVD player, slideout, awning, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, kitchen island, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2019 Coachmen Prism 2300DS is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.